we have the 2018 Aprilia Dorsoduro 900. This one you can actually be able to put dirt bike tires or on-road, off-road tires. This is brand new from the factory in Italy, the Dorsoduro 900 cc's. And not only is it a great hand-torqued motor, they don't machine press these like Honda, Suzuki, Yamaha, so on. These are actually hand-torqued, and they're actually almost like collector's items because Aprilia only makes enough motorcycles to support their racing habits in the world tracks, and they're almost like a limited editions. And if they're treated right, they can actually go up in value rather than reducing value like most of those Japanese bikes. Italian made, started up here. You've got your mode selections that you'll see I'll flip through when the motor starts up, and you can actually see So there's that, and this one happens to be on special. It's the last 2018 model that we have on the floor. Everything else we have 2019, 2020 models. We have the Super Sport model here at about $17,500. It's actually a very good deal. This is the RSV4 double R version. We had the RSV4 factory version, which is the top-notch model, going for the 2019 model just sold for about $22,000. So here, once again, we have the Aprilia Dorsoduro 900 for a reduced price of only $8,000. It was $10,999 when it first came out here on the sales floor. And as you can see, 2018 model. There's the VIN number as well, if you want to check it out. And brand new for only $8,000 plus tax, registration, dealer fees. Please give me a call at 346-801-4385 for Paul at Team Extreme, 346-801-4385.